Let's cut the crap right now. The world is shaking beneath your feet, and pretending real estate is the safe bet like it was 10 or 20 years ago. That's fooling yourself. Every founder, every investor who's played the game knows the pain of waking up to assets that feel more like chains, dragging you instead of lifting you. Feeling stuck in a market that's overheating, where prices skyrocket but tenants default, where interest rates choke your cash flow, and regulations keep shifting faster than you can adapt. That's real. That's frustration and anger. Because you put your skin in the game, and yet the world seems to be moving sideways, or worse, backwards. Is real estate still the safe place to put your money? The quick answer is no, not if you're thinking like a player from 10 years ago. But here's the brutal truth. Safety is a lie if you don't know how to build a real edge in this mess. If you're sitting there hoping that a property will just appreciate or rent itself out without you sweating bullets, you're on the wrong path. Here's the reality. Safe investing means control, not hope. It means grabbing the wheel yourself. So step 1, stop buying into hype locations or just hot markets because they are advertised as stable. Those places? They're crowded, overpriced, and highly volatile. Instead, dig deeper. Look for undervalued micro markets where cash flow isn't a dream, but a reality. You want neighborhoods with real growth potential. Think infrastructure projects, upcoming business hubs, or places where the population isn't just growing, but diversifying. Don't fall for the usual suspects. That's lazy investing. Step 2, don't just think about the property. Think about the deal structure. Are you locked into a fixed rate that carries you through rising interest rates? Can you negotiate terms so you're insulated from shocks? Get creative with financing. Partnerships, seller financing, options to renegotiate. Use leverage, but not the dumb kind that puts you underwater at the slightest dip. Understand today's credit landscape and use it to your advantage. Don't be a victim of it. Step 3, cash flow is king, but predictable cash flow is royalty. If your property relies on tenants who might flake at the first sign of trouble, or you're counting on appreciation that depends on wild market swings, you're fooling yourself. Look for commercial or mixed-use properties where tenants sign longer leases, or consider properties that you can add value to in ways others overlook. Zoning tweaks, small renovations, or repurposing space for new industries. The safest investment is the one where you dictate the terms, from financing to tenants to exit strategy. Step 4. Remember that diversification isn't just a buzzword. You can't throw all your capital into one building or one city and call it a day. Spread intelligently across asset types, markets, and even countries if you have the ability. Yes, it's harder, but you want to be unshakable. Use technology and networks to access deals that others can't get to. Build a team that understands the nuance of local markets, laws, and cultures. Be global in thinking, local in action. And here's the kicker. Don't let comfort kill your edge. The world is obsessed with safe, as if it's a magic word that protects you from risk. Real safety is in your work, your knowledge, and relentless adaptation. If you're complacent, hoping your property will just ride the wave, you're inviting disaster. Instead, fight for an active stake. Visit your properties, know your tenants, negotiate, fix, pivot, innovate. Be the owner who makes the market work for you, not against you. So yes, real estate can still be a safe place, but only if you treat it like a strategic battlefield, not a slot machine. Those who get emotional about this and do nothing, they lose. Those who get smart, move fast, and don't settle for surface-level security, they win. It's your call. Either stay stuck in illusions of safety, grounded in past decades, or step up and own the reality of control, diversity, and active management that truly protect your capital. This isn't just about money. It's about freedom from the systems that want you to believe safety equals passivity. You want safety? Then get to work, get smart, and build an investment strategy that evolves while the world tries to sell you yesterday's news. Anything less is just waiting to lose.